Right now, let's go to Marty.
Okay, I think we may have gone from bad to worse. Let me tell you why. For the first time, I want to mention something that's been kind of lurking under the surface of this day's weather, and that is the word snow. I brought silence to the studio, didn't it? 40 degrees right now on TVO, but I want you to look up Westminster, 37. A real good friend of mine in Finksburg said he's got wet snow falling. 6 degrees cooler than yesterday here on TVO. Winds are the definite. That's going to be the headline no matter what. Northwest at 26 steady, gusting to almost 50. But as you look at radar, we're seeing moisture banding around the low that is continuing to intensify up over New England and Long Island Sound. It's going to be flinging clouds and moisture our way as we move through the day. There has been some behind-the-scenes discussion that once you get above 1,000 feet elevation above sea level, some wet snow is possible. Clearly, Western Maryland is going to be getting snow showers as we move through the day. But if you're at a higher elevation and you see some wet snow, don't be surprised. Generally speaking, it's not going to be a difficulty, but I don't want you to be taken too much off guard. Wind is still the headline and will be today, tonight, tomorrow night, Sunday, and Sunday night. It's not even going to calm till Monday. Take it away, Lynn.
Thanks, Marty. The wind causing a lot of traffic problems. Christy.
Absolutely, Lynn. And keep in mind, wind warnings issued on all the area bridges. Please take your time when you're making your travels across them today. Also, service suspended on all 3 marked train lines. Those accidents just keep coming in. Baltimore-Annapolis Boulevard at Birch Avenue. We also have 70 westbound at Baltimore National Pike. Traveling northbound 95, the crash there at 175. It's now on the shoulder. In the city, Park Heights Avenue at West Cold Spring Lane, downed trees, several of them, just to name a few, that are having a major impact. Tufton Avenue at Green Spring Avenue, the outer loop of the Beltway at Hollins Ferry Road, a downed tree completely blocking the off-ramp, and also Laytonsville Road at Brink Road, all lanes blocked there as well. Lynn, back over to you.
Christy, thank you. High winds causing power outages, fallen trees, and school house near Silver Spring around 1 o'clock this morning. Multiple people were trapped inside. The fire department helped rescue 2 people, including a 100-year-old who was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. BGE right now working more than 10,000 power outages.